Hello everyone, welcome back. I have another free preset to give away. It'll be in the description below. It's another tracker that you can use on the edit page for the people that don't understand Fusion well, but want to do some tracking. I'm also going to demonstrate how to track on the screen, and it's the same process to track off the screen in case you run across that situation. And when you download it, go to Effects, SDS, Ellipse, Rec, Tracker. You can drop it right on your footage, or you can use an adjustment, but either way it'll work. I'm going to track this guy right here. As you can see, when I scrub the playhead, he's now off the screen. I'm just adding this in there as a little bonus, I guess. I already have the Fusion overlay on. That's what you're going to be looking at. Click on the little arrow, Fusion overlay, and this is a toggle button to toggle it on and off. We only have to have it on for tracking. Once the tracking's done, we can shut it off. We'll track his head. I kind of like best match. Let's track forward first. Just because it is going to get corrupted when it hits the left side of the screen. And it might go that way first, so we'll go this way. Now we'll go backward. Okay, it actually had a good track. And I'll leave that on for a minute. Then go over here to Operation. Match Move. Now you'll have your ellipse. And you can change it to a rectangle as well. Horizontal, vertical adjustments. You can make them solid. Either one, change the color. I'm not going to spend too much time on all this. And you can rotate it. Border width. And it's the same border width on either the ellipse or the rectangle. And color works the same. And to put it on the subject, use the X and the Y offset. Like I said, we can turn the overlay off. And you can see the ring stays there until he enters the scene. Other than that, it's a good track. Now we'll turn the overlay back on. We want to find a point just about where he makes contact with it and starts to move. Go back to Fusion with the little wand up here. Over your spline. And we only have one track on this preset, so tracker 1. Zoom to fit. You can see where it gets a little jog in the tracking. I'm going to highlight them. Right click. And delete. And you can see the horizontal line coming in is flat. Right click on the grid. Gradient extrapolation. Now if you look, the line goes straight down. It follows the trackers in and out. Close the spline. And now you'll see it comes in the screen. Well, like I said, it'll be in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.